there is just nowhere else like North Wales. There's this deep ancient Christian history. There's a real sense that the past and the present collide in people's spiritual experiences. There's a real commitment to language, and a language that's renewing itself, that has a whole new generation speaking Welsh, and to helping those who don't speak Welsh to learn. As a diocese, we've made some of those choices to make ourselves more relevant to the people we serve. You'd be stepping into a real cultural moment in North Wales. There are some amazing opportunities here for a really rewarding and worthwhile ministry. In any Anglican ministry, there's a lot of continuity. There's about affirming and honouring what's here already. But there's also maybe a once-in-a-generation chance to do something really creative and entrepreneurial. So a good creative leader who can see beyond the immediate structures and needs and lead people into something they can't fully imagine. But we're passionate about supporting clergy, lay leaders, ministers as whole people. They need to be deeply rooted spiritually, that the people you love and travel with need to be valued, and that you need to be seen as a person who's distinctive and unique, not just part of a machine. People are feeling the cost of ministry and the cost of profound social change. We want to really get alongside people and support them so that they can be the best they can for God.